Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. So today we are going to be doing a video all about this mane that is in my hair right now. I have been on the hunt for a new set of hair extensions. There is a lot on the market. Never going back to that hairstylist ever again. So I definitely did my research, and I don't know about you guys, but I follow Chris Appleton. He is the king of hair. I'm sorry, but like, he is just amazing. If I could have anyone touch my hair, it would be him. I stalk his Instagram, anything he uses. I'm always looking and looking. I watch like every tutorial he's made, and every time I would see him do these amazing iconic looks, he would always use hair extensions. The brands that he was always putting in these celebrities' hair were Glam Seamless, and I was like, oh my god, I keep seeing this brand everywhere. I had noticed a ton of celebrity hairstylists, not just him, were using these extensions. So I was like, okay, I gotta try this stuff out. If the king of hair is using them, then I have to love them. So if you guys wanna see how I get this amazing mane of hair, then just keep on watching. So we are gonna be working with the Glam Seamless hair extensions, and we're using the Invisi-Clips. These are 100% Remy human hair. They come with 7 wefts, and I got mine in the 20-inch in the shade 1B, which I believe is their natural black color. And then it also comes with a tester piece, which comes at the bottom. So you have 2 drawers. This one, if you take the sticker off, you're not gonna be able to exchange it. So they have a drawer that you can open here. And inside that drawer is a little tester piece, which they want you to kind of put to your hair before you actually open up all of the extensions, because once it's open they can't resell it just for hygienic purposes. So that's why they always give you the little tester piece, and it is really important that you make sure that these blend in the hair. I actually got the hanger because I don't like storing my extensions in the box. Once I take them out of the box, I feel like they can breathe better when they're in this like hanger bag. I also noticed that a lot of celebrity hairstylists who work with a lot of hair extensions and wigs, they never store their extensions in boxes. They actually hang them on hangers. So if the professionals are doing it that way, then I probably should be hanging my extensions as well. These are the extensions right here. I did wave them a little bit because they do come pretty pin straight when you receive them in the box. But the one thing I immediately noticed when I first got them in was how incredibly full they are from the top to the bottom. And the way that they're cut, they look so natural in the hair, and it blends into the hair so nicely. My ends are really dead, but you can see a little bit of blonde peeking through. This match is pretty much on point. It's a little darker, like I said, on the ends because my hair is coming through with the bleach, but overall, like, blends perfectly. And they're so soft, you guys. I can actually put all of these in my hair and it's not gonna look super bulky. A lot of the time, whenever I were to put hair extensions in, I would never wanna put all of the pieces in because my head would just start to get so big. I'm gonna walk you guys through how I put them in my hair, how I part my hair, everything like that. So here we go. So this is what I do, and you don't obviously have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what works for me. I always like to start kind of like at the nape of my neck and in the middle of my ear, and I will just go straight back and just meet in the middle and part my hair up like that. And then I am gonna take the 3-piece because with a lot of head shapes, the nape of the neck is going to be less room. So you wanna take a 3-clip, and depending on you, you obviously need to see how your head is, but sometimes some people might even use a 2-piece. It just really depends. So I usually always start with a 3. If you guys can see these extensions, like look really closely. These extensions, they're so thin, almost looks like tape-in extensions, but just with a petite clips, as you guys can see. And also what some people like to do is take some hairspray and spray it right at the root of where they're going to be putting the extensions in. But for me, I'm not going to do that because I already have a buttload of dry shampoo in my hair because I am working with 3rd day hair. So I'm just going to take my extensions and I'm going to clip them right in. And I go right above the top of my ear and go straight back to the point where your fingers meet. I'm gonna take a 4-piece. Have not had these cut to my hair yet, but I will have them blended into the hair a little bit. So I want to show you guys these straight out of the box before I actually cut them. I'm gonna keep going, you guys. These are so thin. So I like to take the 5-clip and put it on the widest part of my head, which is right now. I have really layered hair, especially in the front. What I like to do is blend, this is my natural hair, with the rest of the hair, and that's when I start to take the 2-piece clips. So I'm gonna just take my rat tail comb, and I'm gonna not go right back here, and I'm not gonna place them straight back. I used to place them straight back, but I've learned, actually, Irenelle, shout out to Irenelle. She did my hair for a way shoot. She told me, don't put your hair extensions straight back when it's the pieces that are framing the face, because when you put them straight back, they just tend to lay flat, whereas if you lay them sideways, they fall towards the face, if you can tell. Take a little bit, it's probably like about an inch, and I go back towards the back of the head, and I have like a straight diagonal line. What does that even mean? And I'll take a 2-piece. I'm gonna take one more. Go right above that other one. Put them here. I can really feel that dry shampoo in my hair. I'm gonna obviously curl it and it'll blend even more, but look at those two-piece wefts did to my hair. Look at the difference. Like, this just looks way more non-blended. You can just kind of tell this just looks way more seamless and it looks more like my hair. It's a little bit more believable. So I'm gonna do this exact same thing on this side. By the way, look at how easily I can tuck my hair behind my ears without there being like this gigantic bulge. I used to have such an issue with that because it would just make it look like I had Queen of Hearts head. Then I take my brush and I just kind of brush everything together. It's just a full head of hair. So what's great about Remy Human Hair is that you're able to style it however you want. So if you want to straighten it, you can. If you want to curl it, you can. But today I'm going to curl it. Glam Seamless also has a hair extension and just hair wand, which you can use, which I'm really excited to use as well. One thing I did like about this, and what I noticed too whenever I gravitate towards curling my hair with hair extensions in, is I like to get one with a clamp, because I feel like the clamp really helps grab the hair and the hair extension and just blend it together seamlessly. But if you don't want to use the clamp, you can still use this. It lays flat enough that you can use it as like a regular like wand without the clamp. So that's nice. I'm gonna go right in the middle of my ear, clip the hair up. So I'm gonna take some heat protectant. I'm gonna spray my hair because obviously we want to protect and treat the hair extensions like you would your natural hair. So taking care of your extensions is really important. Make sure you wash them once they start to get like full of product, and just take care of them, condition them. Love your hair extensions. It's gonna take about 1-inch sections, and what you can do is you can work with the clamp if you want. I'll show you both ways, the way I do it. So the way I like to do it is I just sort of wrap it around and then just let it go. And it just blends it so well. Using this without the clamp, and I just take it and you can go ahead and just quickly wrap around. It'll still give you the same, it's a little bit more of a loose curl, just depending on the style you're looking for, but I like that this is a very versatile curling wand. So this is one side kind of curled and blended, and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. So I just finished styling all thy hair. I'm gonna brush it out. This is my favorite part because this is when I feel like everything just starts to blend together and look so fluffy and whimsical. I love it. Look how much hair I have. The quality and just how incredibly full the hair is from top to bottom. I feel like a mermaid. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you do have any other questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will be happy to get back to you there. Don't forget to check out the Glam Seamless links down below. If you guys enjoyed, thank you so much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!